Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your reading book, Phonic Reader Book 2. Now open the page number 21. Read with me children. T-H-E the, H-O-T hot, B-U-N bun, I-S is, O-N on, a T-I-N tin. The hot bun is on a tin. Read it again. T-H-E the, H-O-T hot, B-U-N bun, I-S is, O-N on, a T-I-N tin. The hot bun is on a tin. And the next line is IT it, IS is, MY my, RED red, MUG mug. It is my red mug. It is my red mug. Now read it again. IT it, IS is, MY my, RED red, MUG mug. It is my red mug. It is my red mug. And next line is MY my, PET pet, DOG dog, IS is, FED fed. My pet dog is fed. My pet dog is fed. Now read again with me. MY my, PET pet, DOG dog, IS is, FED fed. My pet dog is fed. And the last line is MY my, CAT cat, RAN ran, ON on, THE the, RUG rug. My cat ran on the rug. My cat ran on the rug. Now read again with me. MY my, CAT cat, RAN ran, ON on, THE the, RUG rug. My cat ran on the rug. I hope children you will understand that how we read that page number 21. I hope you will read this page again and again with the guidance of your parents at home. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.